Award.
Laryosas Catering Services. Panalo.
Binabati ko po ang Laryosa Catering Services. Binabati po ito ang pinakabasing kasindera sa social media. Naku naman, sana po ay magkita tayo dyan soon sa inyong lugar at mag-iingat po kayo palagi. And God bless!
Hello, this is Brenda May sa lahat ng may mga event dyan. Kung gusto nyo pong kumain ng masarap, Laryosas Catering Services po ang hanapin nyo. This is Brenda May and I thank you.
Certified Netizens Choice Elegant Quality Value Catering Services Provider. Congratulations, Laryosas Catering Services.
May we also call on the most empowered business leader and entrepreneur of the year, Miss Maria Teresa Echet.
I dedicate this award to my family and all of my staff who continuously support our business. I will not be here if not for your support.
This year's list of awardees, congratulations. We are looking forward to more of your achievements in the coming years.